Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to post a fundraiser to your Facebook feed. Go to your Chrome, go to three dots on Facebook and find fundraiser options. On the left side, find fundraiser. Click the fundraiser, it will be opened. These are the list of fundraising and many like on financial, medical and many more. Click on all categories. These are the categories fundraising on personal emergency, animals, entertainment, financial crisis. These are many list of fundraising list. Okay, I click on community and social actions. I click on community and social actions. Okay, click them community and social actions. And these are the lists. These are many lists. And I will select feed a family for the entire Ramzan for $40. This will add to my post. Okay, this will add to my post and I will click on share button. This is how to post fundraiser to your Facebook feed. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.